If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome back for another review by Yo. So anyway, shout out goes to Frank and Carol Overman. They got me one of my favorite sets of pens I get. I think just about every year, don't I?
Yes.
For Christmas, and I love them. They're great pens. I'm a little behind, but I'm working on it. So here they are, and the price for $3.25, you're getting more than your money's worth. Why is that? They're not these famous Viscontis or Lamies, Pilots, Preppies. No, they're not. They are not one but two calligraphy fountain pens. And the name of these little jewels are going to be that. So, come in this plastic box here. It shows the pens and shows the nibs. One's are hooded, one's not. The caps. Then it also comes with a box of cartridges. Now that's pretty slick. So we'll turn that over. And here you go. It tells a little bit about it. You unscrew, it tells you how to fill up your pen. You unscrew the first one and separate the barrel. Why don't we do that right now? And we'll take this little jewel out. Anyway, unscrew, separate the barrel. Here we go. Now this one looks like you can make it into a night dropper. And number 2, insert the cartridge in the neck firmly. Okay, but I can do that. Now this one didn't come with a converter, but I'm sure that I think we have a lot of universal converters that will fit it. I'm sure some tin house will for sure. So let's use these. And you got a quite amount of ink. So what we're going to do, and don't lose your little ring, okay? Right there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Buckle my shoe. Boom. And we'll put the cap on it and make it one whole pen. So here we go. This is the pen.